Alright, in this video I'm going to be testing for function, so essentially seeing how the game works, which features work. I'm going to be testing if the features I've tried to implement work as intended. So as you can see, the game starts with this title screen, which has this orange text over a purple background as intended. It has a cursor which you can move around, and it's got a play button and a quit button. So you can hover over this text here and nothing happens, but if you hover over the play text or the quit text, you can see that they turn a different color to show the player that they can click them. So if we press quit, we should quit the game. So let's test that. Yep. So now if I restart the game, I can press play again, well, play this time, and this should take me to the actual game. So let's try that. Sure enough, it does. So let's try movement tests. So I'm going to say which key I'm going to press and in which direction it should take me. So I'll start with the arrow keys. The right arrow key should take me to the right. The left arrow key should take me to the left. Up arrow key should take me up. The down arrow key should take me down. Okay, so the arrow keys work as intended if pressed one at a time. Now let's try the WASD keys. The D key should take me to the right. The A key should take me to the left. The S key should take me down. And the W key should take me up. So the WASD controls also work with one key at a time. However, let's try pressing multiple keys. So what I'd expect from pressing, let's say, the right arrow key and the down arrow key at the same time is for the player to move diagonally downwards and to the right. Let's see what happens if I do this. Nothing, I just moved to the right. So what happens is that the latest one to get pressed will take over and the player will just move in that direction instead. So this is a flaw. So if I press the left arrow key and then the down arrow key, I'd want to move diagonally downwards and to the left, but instead I just move to the left. I just move downwards after I press the down arrow key. So left, down, and I just start moving downwards until it starts chasing me. I don't want that yet. And the same happens for the WASD controls, unfortunately. So like that. And also, whenever one of the keys is released, even if it's not the one in the direction I'm going in, the player just stops. So I'm going to press the down arrow key, then the right arrow key, and I'm going to release that down arrow key. So down, right, release down, and I've just stopped. Yep. And same with the WASD controls. If I press up, then the left, then stop pressing the up, it's going to stop. The W, then the A, then stop, then release the W is going to stop. So W, A, release W, stops again. So there's a flaw there. Now, clicking is going to be the way of attacking. So if I click while standing still, the sword should materialize, should appear to the right of the player, like that. So that's fine. Now, you can change the direction of the sword by moving in a different direction while attacking. So if I move downwards while clicking, the sword appears to the left, to downwards, to the left, yeah, and up while pressing the up arrow keys. So that was with the arrow keys. Now if I try that with the WASD controls, left clicking, nothing happens when I left click. However, when I right click, all of a sudden it works. You'll notice I killed that zombie over there because I'd hit him a couple times with the sword. So that's another fault in the that's another fault in the attacking this time, where you can't attack with the left arrow, with the left mouse button for the WASD controls, but for some reason you can attack with the right mouse button. Now, you'll also notice that when I stop moving in a certain direction while attacking, the sword also starts going to the left, to the right after that, because it sees me standing still, and when you stand still, the sword's supposed to go to the right. So if I do that, look, all of a sudden it just goes to the right. So that's another flaw. Now, let's try testing out the health bar and the zombies. So Whenever I move within the range of a zombie, as you saw earlier, they move towards me, and if they hit me, if they collide with me, I get knocked back. I should get knocked back in the direction they're moving in, and also you'll see this health bar here will be emptied by a heart every time. So let's try that. Yep, got hit, and I keep getting hit, and if I get hit enough times for the health bar to go completely zero, I should just game over. So let's try that with this zombie this time. You can see the zombie can follow me anywhere. And I'm dead. Game over. So now I have to restart the game. I can play again. This time I'll show you that I can kill each one of the zombies by attacking them. So hit them with the sword. Oh, try not to get hit. Yeah. So you'll see that they took the first one only took one hit while the others took a couple hits. This is because the sword they take as much damage as the sword is colliding with them for. So there is the actual amount of time, the amount of hits it takes them to die varies. Also, you'll notice that there is nothing that I can do after I've killed these zombies. I can only move around this game screen, and there is no way to win or anything. I just won. That's not the fault.